Hey guys, welcome back. Hope the FOMC is exciting as the Portugal game. Give me a second. All right, how's it, guys? How's it? How's it? All right, let's see. Let's go down to the 1 minute. All right, so we're still stuck in this range. Luckily, we walked away from this. So aggressive push to the downside. Nice big push down. Alrighty, let's see. So we obviously still got this interest up there. So I'm just going to be chilling, see if we get an opportunity, or is this the move? So I want to check something. I just want to look at something quickly. That's the divergence out in, and then big momentum shift. So we'll see. Hey, about 15 minutes, still a bit messy, so. All right, so this gap is a nice big ass gap. I see gold, y'all. That is one heck of a drop. But it's interesting that we never went up into this premium zone to then sell off from there. We just went doop. Oh, well. Oh. This way, hopefully we get some nice setup. Hopefully. Mm-hmm. Big volume, nice extended price, yeah. Yeah. It's at that midpoint right now, 50% right there. Mm-hmm. The question now is, do we think we're going to continue lower, or are we going to do something else? Go to 30 is key. So maybe we pull back to that 50%, which is obviously this gap here. So the top end of that gap. So I'm actually going to try a short here. And I guess then we'll see. I mean, if we're really going to run all the way up now, I guess that's the risk I'm willing to take. Let's see. Or what do you guys think? Well, I took the short, so we will see. If this is a complete turnaround or I mean, I don't know if we're gonna do the whole thing. But let's see. Now I'm short. I'm not long. Just see if we can run that low again. Sell another one. So the reason I also short is, let me go to the, I think it's on the 15 minutes. It's just the 15 minutes, yeah. I'm looking at this little, this gap here. 50% of that is about just below that low. So I might bring this in, but it depends. I mean, this could be a manipulation to bounce up to that area and then come down, which I hope is not the case. But let's see. At what? 263. Well, either way, we'll see how this plays out. DX is running. So if DX is going higher, then this should go lower, right? Am I reading that correct? Okay, well, let's see. Let's see. All right, so we still got this. What here? Come on, pal, send it lower. Send it. No, is it still? Who's the Fed? Sorry, I'm saying pal. Gosh. Okay, let's see if we can break this to the downside again. I wonder where these view opposites. I just want to see if it's close. Yeah, pretty. Gosh. Ding. So what does that mean if it's good? Send price higher. Okay, well, we've got a fair value gap. Hopefully holding price. But let's see. Can we get some pressure down? Let's see. Right, we need to see follow through to the downsides. I mean, at this point, this looks like it wants to go higher. We need to get through this pivot gap and this low, but we'll have to see. Well, let's see if that 8 minutes is going to send us down, or is it actually going to reverse this bloody thing? Just drop it, baby. Drop, drop, drop. Come on, you can do it. Push it for us. Down. You can make your U-turn down here. Okay, 7 minutes. I'm too scared to mark out this fair value gap as a IFVG because you know what that means. Let's do it. IFVG. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Don't inverse back up. Yeah, pin it, and send it down. That's what we want to see. I actually wanted to see something, yeah. That's how you take it off. Okay. Sorry, guys. Just wanted to see how can you hide it? Right, where we 6 minutes. 6 minutes. Come on, you can do it. Okay, so 5 minutes. Then we get some influxes. All right, let's see if we can get through that low. This one here, we need to close below it. Not pin, not pin. I hate pins. Because when you trade a pin, it doesn't work, and when you don't need it, it works. Din, 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 din. Come on. Dump it. Just close below it. Okay. Okay, we've got 4 minutes. All I want is to run this low again. That's it. Come on. 3 minutes, guys. 3 minutes. Then I hope we see a nice dump and then it can do whatever it wants. But either way, let's see how it plays out. It's FOMC. Dun, 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 dun. I hate it when price moves so slowly. Like it's wanting to, but it doesn't want to. That type of move. Come on. Do it. Do it. Just dump. All right, 1 minute to go. Then hopefully we get some big acceleration down. Bing, bing, bing. Bing, bing, bing. Dun, dun, dun. Dun. 20 seconds. It's going the wrong way. Oh boy, oh boy. Oh boy. Pin there, yes, pin it. Pin it and send us down. Yeah, sell it. Sell it. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. How long does this guy normally talk? Don't like that candle. Don't like that candle. Oh no. Here we go. Yeah, that's not going to be good. First time, but often 15 minutes, 30 minutes. Don't pin it. Yeah, keep going. Keep going. Don't pin it. No pins, please. Oh gosh. Comes the pins again. Ding, ding, ding. Golly. Come on. Just run this low for luck. Then you can consolidate again. Then I'm not too phased. Ting, ting, ting. I'll say the soccer's first half was more exciting than this. Ding. Just give us some power down. Heavy power. I know you're going to do it. I just know it. I can feel it. My TP is a magnet for price. My take profit is a magnet for price. Okay, so there's your equal highs right with that fair value gap. So I won't be surprised if we do bump and then down. Hopefully not bump. Or maybe come down and then you go run those equal highs. Okay, so we've done these two gaps, no justice. I'm going to just remove that. Oh my, oh my. I don't know if this thing's going to go down again. I've got this feeling. One thing I'm not going to do is, if this starts running, I'm not changing my position. I'm just going to take it and come back, refocused. Yep, there's lots of liquidity above. I mean, we can still go all the way up to that gray fair value gap. I just thought, now that we've got momentum down, at least we'll try to run this low and then bounce. But it all depends what are we going to do in this fair value gap when this equalize, yeah. Yeah, yeah, that's not ideal. That's not ideal. Closing above equalize normally says going higher. That could just be the test on those equal highs to go doink. Um, Got a little gap here, gap here. So if we want to change direction, yeah, we want to see nice momentum down, but I don't think we're going to get it. Don't think so. All right, I collapsed my trade on the prop account. Hey, it's painful. If we reverse here, I'm gonna just shake my head. Another 0.5% down. Gosh, I told you guys this week is not a good week for me. Oh well, I guess it is one of those things, but we'll see. I mean, like I said, there's always tomorrow. Oh, I don't think it can only influence monetary policy, inflation driving. Okay. Yeah, and the other thing is, if we obviously close above this fair value gap, then we're going higher. Take those higher. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay, out of that one. All right, if you want to go high, then go high. Gotta go now. Let's go all the way. Let's go all the way. Come down to this gap here. Push, baby. Now you gotta push. Now I want you to go to this area here. Not down. I mean, why would you want to get down now? Dumb. Why? Oh my words. Don't tell me you want to go down now. Oh, this is irritating. Irritating bounce. Take us to that H1 fair value gap. Take it up there. Let's just go there. Let's just rock and roll up to that. Yeah, bounce up to the moon. Dee dum dum. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Oh no, you can. And now we just stuck. Back into the range that we were before. Hopefully this was manipulation to send us up. Oh man, can you believe it? Just go back into consolidation. Hey, hey, hey. Just a different beast, this thing. Dun, dun. Wonder if we will get up to there. I mean, what was on this side again? Gap, alright. I mean, if we want to bounce here, we're gonna have to do that with speed through that. We need to get above this high though. But like always, we start making pins. Mm-hmm. Come on, man. Why don't you just take us higher? This is like a bull flag. But we not want to bull it. We're just flagging and going lower. I think if we can close or get above this fair value gap and this high, we might get to this level here. That 3600, that 600 level at least. If we get past this, we will get up to there. But if we keep doing this, we're probably going lower here. Maybe this is going to screw around till that last 10 minutes. And then it goes to all the liquidity that we predicted. I mean, this is no good. Kind of frustrating, but DD. All right, so 340 looks to be the mid. Oh well. I just don't trust price here, so. I mean, start inversing bloody gaps. I mean, at this point, I don't even know if I believe in fair value gaps anymore. Because I don't know. I mean, they're just there for liquidity, right? Nothing more, nothing less. I'll leave that one there. Because this is probably going to be one of those that we're going to inverse for like 20 million times. I mean, we are slicing through this gap, slicing probably through this gap. And now we're going to go to where my target was originally. Just had to go stop me out quickly. And then off we go to Neil's TP. I mean, the thing is, we dumped, consolidate, push back into consolidation, back to the midpoint, yeah. So, da, 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 da. Okay, well, let's see. Are we going to bounce up here? We're just going to get stuck here? Or what are we going to do? This is probably going to do some Asian move later, which is perfect when I'm asleep. So, the thing is, I can watch price now. The only problem is I'm not going to take a trade now. Dang, damn, damn. All right, so now we just sit and wait because it's not doing anything meaningful for me, at least. So, Sabenja. Ta-ta-ta. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. You got long? Someone went long. Kenny, you long. Where did you go long? Where's your stop? Let's see if we can follow your trade. And my history repeats itself with me that I'm red FOMC week. Just red. Dun, 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 dun. $372. Let's see. 372. 370. Oh, so you went long at 372, right about here. Sorry. Right. Where did you put your stop? Yeah, at 179 or 215. Where, or did you actually put it right where? 211. Okay, so 211 is your stop. So you're still in the trade. I mean, this inverse would bug me. But yeah, I hope this thing turns around for you. I mean, I already took my loss, so. Ding, ding, ding. I mean, let's look at the 15-minute. I mean, look at that chart. What a mess that is. It's like we're going sideways. Sideways just bigger, smaller, big, big, big sideways. But we stuck. We filled big chunk of this. Still think we got to go up there. I just hope it gives an opportunity tomorrow to actually do it. Good try. So DX is running what's running higher. So that means we should go lower. I'm a believer, but I mean, the market is turning me into a non-believer. I mean, the fair value gaps is still good liquidity. I'm not going to fight that. I'm just getting so frustrated if we inverse these gaps all over the bloody place. I mean, it's like it's not respecting price at all. If you look at this and I mean, these gaps, this gap here, this gap, I know not every fair value gap is going to be treated the same, but if it's significant fair value gaps, the way we violate it, I understand we violate, but with wicks respecting like we used to. And now it's just like I draw a block here and price is just going willy-nilly, both sides, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. That it looks like I was just good in pinpointing where consolidation will be. But other than that, because the rule normally is you take a long here, if it closes you below it, you out of your trade. But oh, we'll have to see. We will have to see. I mean, look at this. Now we stuck again. And we stuck right in the middle. Like this. I'm actually going to look at some. So there is something I'm looking at to anticipate this move. So it did play out today. I just didn't take it because I'm scared about these things. And then where was the 930? This one was also one. This black candle. But that's like in and out. You gotta. I just don't know what the distance should be. This was a big one. And now we wait again. I mean, remember when we were down here, I did say we overextended. And I look at my indicator here, and it was way overextended. And the minute you make a U-turn like this, it normally pulls back to that 50% range. And it did just that, and it went all the way to the other side. I should trade more these setups, except instead of trying to sell it, all the times I've been losing money is where I do that liquidity shift, pullback, continuation, and then it turns around. Maybe I'm just picking the wrong ones. And now we do some nice consolidation, yeah. Guys, I'm gonna be here for another 20 minutes. If price is just hammering here, I'm gonna call it a session and then we'll come back tomorrow and see if there's better price action. But let's see. I'm always scared. I never trade these, like this FOMC. When the scandal came out. My setup is there to, when this momentum starts moving, to jump in and capture a move of it. I'm always one of those guys that's like, hey, what if it goes and it snaps back to the other side? Remember, that can happen too, right? So, just to answer, Kenny, to answer you, I'm still a believer. I can't turn into a non-believer if I hitting a loss. So, I'm cool, man. I'm cool. I'm just frustrated because I wanted to take this trade because when I don't take it, it normally plays out. And I thought there was a context to go below this low. And I knew this was going to pull back. And then I thought, geez, if we printing equal highs here, let's see if we can. And then my luck, we're not. So. Let's see what's the score on Portugal versus Congo. It's still 1-1. Can you believe that? My prediction was 3-1. So I'm halfway there. I just need Portugal to go and score another not tries, 2 goals. Then I'll be happy chappy. Okay, let's see. And we back up. Alrighty, let's see. I mean, we pretty much holding this mid range, and anybody that's just joined, this is the range we're talking about. We're like stuck in the middle here. I mean, regardless of what we're doing with fair value gaps and IFVGs, and if this thing is gonna run higher now, I'm gonna pick up this laptop. I'm gonna chuck it in the pool quickly. So here close by my house, there's this place. I'm sure you guys got it where you live as well, but you get dressed in this fancy heavy duty overalls, put some goggles on and all of that, and they give you either a hammer, an axe, or baseball bat, or you can choose what you want. Then you go in there. They've got TVs, they've got monitors, laptops, but it's all old broken stuff. They've got windscreens of cars, everything. You can just go smash things. And I always thought I went there for someone at a birthday party, and I thought, geez, if I had to start trading and I'm close to that place, I mean, I will clean that place out. That was back in the day when I wasn't that patient with with uh, with trading. Okay, it's finished. Okay, now we can get direction. Gosh, this guy that talks forever. All right, yeah, the smash rooms are good. My kids loved it, and I said to them, one day you'll understand. Well, I would love it as well. Yeah, this thing is just going up and down, up and down. Rage room, yes. Actually, don't know what you call it. I think it's probably like a rage room, but I mean, the minute you walk in there, people look funny at you. So guys, just so you know, um, I don't have to defend myself, but I don't have rage. I promise you, I'm using the same laptop every day to stream. But I can tell you guys, there was a time where I thought I was gonna quit trading, throw the laptop in the pool. I mean, it was just bad. But luckily, what do you call it? I focused, I made it my business in my mind to be good at it. And I wasn't going to let these things get me under. And it was always simple. I always go back and see, why did you lose money? Why did this happen? And it always got back to the fact that I didn't stick to my rules. I was revenge trading. I keep taking trades. I just couldn't stop because normally, I mean, I took a loss here. I mean, that's it. I'm down 1%. And what I normally would do is I would jump in short, and then the market will turn, I'll jump in long, and it will turn, I'll jump in short again, and then now I'm seeing this big white candle, thinking, yeah, that's long again, and then I get stopped again, and then I was like, I will just blow money. And then I thought, no, these strategies don't work. Then I start going through strategy after strategy after strategy. And I guess once you actually find something that makes sense in your mind to say, all right, this is what I'm trading. I'm trading liquidity to liquidity. There must be market momentum, blah, blah, blah. What can I use to help me gauge the strength of momentum? I mean, I can look at candles, but I can tell you guys, sometimes a big candle, a smaller candle's got more volume or, than bigger candles. And I think once I've back and front forward tested a specific strategy, and I know that thing works more than it should, and I've accepted the fact that, losing is part of this game, I think things starts changing. And once I apply that and risk manage that and all of that, and it kept me longer in the game, I actually tasted it, I realized it, and it just becomes a thing. Now when the markets throw me curveballs, I'm like just looking at it and it's like, that's fine. It's not fine, but it's fine. But I'm sitting here right now, I'm thinking, all right, Neil, what are you going to look at? Because I can tell you guys for certain now, this last couple of months, these trades, I get caught, not just FOMC, I'm talking about normal trades, where we shift away, pull back, and continue. I got stopped more than it worked. So, I mean, I traded that with this prop account. I was down 4%. So I managed to kick that thing out and just stick to my momentum. I made all that money back, and up that lost 4% plus a positive 1 point something percent now. Sorry. So I screwed up this last 2 days actually. So and I need to go figure out why is that. Why am I get screwed on that trade? Because after the fact, when I look at it, it looks simple strategy, and that's why I started this thing. I thought that's probably the simplest way of trading. And then, then it doesn't play out that well. I mean, I look at this thing now, and I'm like, is this something to pull back into to continue lower, or we're just going to drop? But I'm not taking it. I mean, the other thing I used to trade, and I'm looking at it, and as part of something I'm looking at, is that divergence. Divergence at liquidity. And then that shift candle with my momentum indicator tells me that's a good trade to take. And then obviously I've got it VWAP strategy that I showed you guys yesterday. Didn't play out today, but we saw it and we didn't try it. So oh no, man. So that's not good in 2 trades. Well, I mean, I don't know your trades or what your risk is and where your stops. I mean, I know where your stops was. The only thing I can think is that your risk is you're over leveraging, because if you blur it in 2 trades, then you're over risking. You're risking too much. Yeah, that's not. I mean, 2 contracts, minis or micros. Oh, micros. Okay. All right. Okay. 2 micros. Why 2 micros? What was your risk on a trade then? I mean, what's the value? So I know if I risk 1%, it's $100 on the 10,000 account. And tell me, in the 2 contracts, what was your loss value? I mean, I'm not trying to see how much you lost. I'm just trying to work out what you could do differently. Because what's the daily loss? I don't know. Was it 50K accounts? What's that like? Was $1,000 your daily max? 2,000 drawdown to okay. See, that is too much. So that is over risking. If you, I mean, then it's better to trade the CFD account, where you can actually set your risk. In this case, one micro, but then you're gonna have to measure where $100 risk is, or $200, so you don't get out at 1,000. And then if price is just too far away from that, that just means you can't take the trade. You're gonna wait for something with lower risk, and that's unfortunate. But And that's where CFDs comes in, where, I mean, even on those big swings, I could still just risk $100. My lot size is just much smaller. All right, let's see. Let's see. I mean, one contract here. That's one micro. $200. Stop above there. That's $50. So let's make it $100. Boom. I mean, all right, 30K, yes. 30K is, I think we spoke about that in the AM session to say, we'll probably go down to 30K if we fill this whole gap. But yeah, it's pretty close to a round number, I guess. So this is the high, this is the low. We didn't even get close to the 50% yet. But I entered this short here because we're running this high here. And I'm looking at this as a potential pullback. And I mean, we are far away from the 50 simple moving average. So my theory there is if you go too far away, it normally goes back. But I mean, we pulled back above this 8 EMA, and then we engulfed that candle. That on its own, right there. But it's better if it goes to the 50 simple moving average. Then this is what you could do. This is what I've been testing. So you then go short, put it, oh gosh. My words. So you go short on that. You put your stop above that engulfing candle. And then you work a 2R. This is a 2R trade actually. But we entered up there, so I mean, I could put a stop right there. That's about $24. So yeah, so that's what I've worked on the pullbacks on this. This is not 100% because we need to cross above this. If it cross above with a engulfing candle, that's what you can, you know, look to take. But we run it low and now we want to go back up. And what I was saying is you're pretty far away from the 50 simple moving average. So what happens is you push away from it very quickly, you tend going back. You push away from it very quickly, you tend to go back. You stay around, you don't do anything. You get away from it quickly, you tend to go back. Ding, 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 ding. So if you had one contract, okay, your stop must have been wide, very wide for your micros to cut you out. But yeah, maybe try one contract, but try to refine your risk in that way. I mean, I entered here to go down here, and we just got stopped out, and then we went there anyways. That's what frustrates me. That tells me I am still missing something, and I don't know what it is. And maybe it's just the nature of price. That's fine, but it seems like I'm picking the ones when this happens. And that tells me I am doing something wrong. I am misinterpreting something that get me in this trap every single time. And I don't know what it is. But I'll find out. All right. Equal highs and equal lows. Yes. No, I mean, guys, I am fine with this. It's just part of the process, I guess. I mean, if I had a process that worked 90% of the time, I would not be worried about it. But I mean, all right. All right, guys. What I'm not going to do is I'm not going to stick around till for the next 20 minutes or 15 minutes. Because I'm not going to take a trade here, and we busy. We're down here now, but we're not doing anything exciting. So I think I'm gonna jump off here, and I'm obviously not trading into the next hour. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for joining. FOMC did what it had to do, and I'm looking forward to see what price gonna provide us tomorrow to give us some good opportunities. Yeah, sorry for losing accounts, guys. But anyways, have a good trading day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Be safe. Bye.